contents facing the cutting board. Then shake the Spam can back and forth to remove the Spam. Place the removed Spam on the cutting board. Cut the Spam into bite-sized pieces. Turn on the induction cooker and set the heat to low. Lift the Spam with a spatula and place it on the frying pan. Wait until the Spam is cooked. When the Spam is cooked to your liking, flip it over. Wait until the Spam is cooked. Turn off the induction cooker. Place the deliciously grilled Spam on a plate.